everybody, Jim King back out here in Independence. We just finished this project. We got a pier right here underneath the frost fitting, brought it up about 2 inches. Pier right here and a pier right here, bringing the floor back up. We filled all the cracks, sealed them with polyurethane. We did some hydraulic cement and some deep patches. And this is now it's ready to, if they want to coat it with somebody, there's companies out there that can make this look like Taj Mahal. Now it's all been repaired. It ain't gonna move no more. So King Pier's out here in Independence. Take a good look at it. Got a King Pier hole right there. King Pier hole there. Everything shoots even with the laser level. So for all your foundation repair needs, call me. 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. If you want to see me and my King Piers Army at your house, give us a call. Thank you. Have a